So now we are going to discuss about the unit 4 analog electronics. So generally, what is electronics? Already in the introduction class I explained about the electronics. Now it is analog electronics. So in the analog electronics, the PN junction and Zener diode and half-wave full-wave rectifier, then the bipolar junction, transistor, construction and working. So these are all the topic present in the unit 4 analog electronics. So generally the PN junction diode, the lower class itself you are studying about the diode. So here the symbol is represented diode in black color. This is a plus minus. The plus is for the anode and the minus is for the cathode. The detailed pictorial diagram also presented in the slide. When you look at this, you can easily understand the anode and the cathode in the connection diagram also. So the PN junction diode is a two-terminal anode and cathode. So for formed either in a germanium or silicon crystal, the diode is a one junction, two layer, two-terminal device and a unilateral device. This is cheapest semiconductor device, simple and cheapest semiconductor device around which has the electrical characteristics are passing through the itself in only one direction only. So here the junction, the PN junction diode is operated in a two biases. One is a forward bias, another one is a reverse biased. So when the positive is connected to the anode with respect to cathode, that is called the forward biasing. Then the reverse biasing, the cathode is connected with the positive with respect to cathode. So that is the reverse biased. So the here the characteristics is also given in the diagram. For the forward biased, whether the anode, the material silicon or germanium, so the triggering voltage is a 0.7. So from the when the 0.7 is reached, is a breakdown, it starts to conducting the operation. And also for the reverse biased also here represented in the reverse voltage and the reverse current, reverse breakdown voltage. When the breakdown is occur, it starts to conducting. So here also I am giving the pictorial representation for easy understanding the direction and the p-type region and the n-type region. The same thing for the reverse bias also. So here I am mentioning the forward biased operation and reverse biased operation. So as I said earlier, so the external voltage becomes greater than the value of potential barrier, approximately 0.7 voltage, the silicon, and 0.3 for the germanium. It is a barrier opposition will overcome, the current will start to flow. So this is because the negative voltage replaces the electrons towards the junction, giving them and energy to cross the and combine with the holes being pushed in opposite direction towards the direction by the positive voltage. Whereas the reverse biased, the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P with respect to positive terminal of the battery. So now it attracts the positive electrodes and move away from the junction, while the holes p-type material also attract the away from the junction towards the negative electrodes, due to which depletion region grow wider due to the lack of electrons and holes. The result in high potential barrier is created and preventing current for through the semiconductor material. So the characteristics also mentioned here, the forward and the reversed characteristics. And the application is a rectifier circuit, clipping and clamping circuit, voltage multiplier and amplitude detector. Next is a Zener diode. So the symbol anode and cathode. So the Zener diode is a special type of device designed to operate the Zener breakdown region. The Zener voltage acts as a normal PN junction diode under forward biased condition. When the forward biased voltage is applied to the Zener diode, it allows a large amount of electric current and blocks only a small amount of electric current. So here the A represents the no bias, then B is the reverse biased. When we look at the diagram, you can easily understand the connection. And the forward biased, the positive with respect to positive, negative with respect to negative, it is a forward biased. Then negative with respect to negative and positive with respect to the reverse biased. So here the diode VI characteristic is also given.